Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, UI Automation Testing. This is Sumant. So in the previous video, we have discussed about how to deal with the tab menus, right? So let me launch the inspect tool so that you will understand the type of element, right, we have. So this is what we have handled in the previous video. So the menu items are the right: home, mail, calendar, team chat. So these are all the type. If you see in the localized and control type, so this is the one, right? So this is the tab items. So these are the tab item. And today's in this session we are going to discuss about a few more different types of Windows element. That is one we usually see the split button. When you click on any of the button, it will show display some list of the options, right? So that one. So the kind of the drop down only. Okay. So the here there's a plus icon button is a split button. If you see here, right? In the please observe in the inspect tool. So this is the split button. More option for chat. The description of the plus button is the name is the more option for chat. So this is the type split button. Okay. So when I click on that one, so it will give the list of the options. So chat, channel, folder, right? So these are all the localized control type if you observe the menu item. Okay, so how to deal with the menu items and the split button. So we will discuss in detail in this video. So let's get into the code then. Okay. So let's get into the code. This is handling split button menu items and text field. I will explain you in detail what is the text field we are using here and comment button. So in the zoom app, if you see, so when I click on this one and I click on the channel, so this is where we see the text field, right? Input field, edit. So the type here is edit. If you see, this is a type of edit. And once I enter the channel name, like I need to click on the create channel. So this is the button, right? So here you can see this is the type of button. So we will handle all these type of element in this scenario. So navigate to the team tab, click on the plus button and choose the create channel option. And in the create channel window, just enter some channel name and text and click on the create channel. So this is the scenario we are going to try today. Okay. So let's get into code very quickly. The test method public void enter channel name or create channel. So that is more precise, right? Create channel. So first we need to click on the teams chat, right? So zoom session, instead of that we have already created one common method, right? So we'll take up that one. So this is the app and we'll just let me locate the teams chat. What is the name? So team chat 4 of 10. So just copying this name from the inspect tool element and pasting it that in the our code. Okay, so you need to click on this one. So once this is done, you need to locate the plus button, right? So plus. So more, I'm just getting the property of an element using the inspect tool only. So this is not the UI recorder. Okay, so just using the inspect tool, it will be helpful. So why? Because these are the unique means the individual elements are there. So in the previous video, what we saw, there are multiple tab items are there. So that's why I just given it as a more generic one using the XPath, and I can look at all the tab menu in a single method. But here this is only one button is there, right? So using the inspect tool, we can locate using find by name. So that is enough. Okay. So more option for the chart. I'm just copying the name of the Windows element. So Zoom session find by name, the very first one I'm taking. So this is the name we have, right? So that one. Then click on that one. So once that is done, so you need to choose the channel. So this is the channel of type what? These are the menu items. So there are multiple options are there. So instead of using the inspect tool here, we will choose the UI recorder so that I can get the parent element of this entire option, so that I can navigate through the all the list and I can choose any of the one. Okay. So let's do that one. Let me launch UI recorder and start recording it. Okay, I got this one. You see the absolute path of the option channel. I'm just copying it here, right? So let me take the XPath of that. So this is the parent element menu of the class name. You just copy to the next line so that it will be helpful. So let's make it as a relative path by double slash. Okay. So this should be replaced with a single quote, and menu items. Okay. This you can leave this one. So we want channel. You can. Okay. So Zoom session dot find elements by dot XPath. I'm just copying that name. Okay. Or else if you need more specific, that is also fine, no issues. Okay. Let me do directly the channel only instead of locating everything. I'm just doing it by channel. Items, channel, instead of find elements, this should be a find element. Okay. So what is this? Channel, right? Let me create a local variable for this. So how to handle the menu item here, right? So this can be handled using actions class. Okay, so let me create an actions class object here equal to actions of Zoom session actions dot. Please carefully observe this one. So the element is the channel. I need to click on here dot perform. So this is the code to handle the menu items, right? So wherever you see the localized control type of an element is menu item. So this menu item, if you see, you just choose directly. You can choose the actions class. Okay. So this is how it will be there. Then that is done. We will get the create new channel window. So this is the text part of the. Okay, we'll go to the code. Record this. Okay. by dot export of, this is the one. Let me make it more clear. Okay, this is the name of, right. Dot, this is element, is find element. Okay, same keys. What is the channel name? Let's do like this. UI automation testing. So I'm just entering the text there. Once that is done, I need to click on the create button, right? So just locate either using any of the thing, your recorder or the inspector. Let's use the inspector. So anything. So this is up to your choice. Okay. So only if there is multiple options are there, then you can concentrate on the WinAppDriver recorder instead of inspector. So that will make it very easy. Okay. So this is a button with the name create channel. So close this. Zoom session dot find element by name. This is the create channel dot click. Okay. So let me run the. So before that, I'm just closing the Zoom app. Okay, let me run this one. It is executing fine. So the application is launched. Click on the team chat. Press button is clicked on. And channel is chosen. So this window is displayed now. So it should enter the text. Yeah, UI automation testing. So click on the create channel. So UI automation testing is created, right? So everything is worked perfectly, right? Yes, UI automation testing is created. So this is how we need to handle the text field, split button, menu item, tab items, okay, and the text field, that is an edit. So thanks for watching this video, and for more videos, so please subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye bye.